In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Salesforce flow in 25. This is a quick and easy process, but being thorough and precise is crucial to ensure we don't accidentally remove something important. Let's get started. First, you will want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point and where you can access all the necessary settings for modifying flows. Once there, head over to the settings. The settings icon is typically represented by a gear symbol, and clicking it will open up a menu where you can configure various aspects of your Salesforce environment. After clicking on settings, you need to find and select Open Advanced Setup. This option takes you to a more detailed configuration interface where you can manage different functionalities within Salesforce, including your flows. Once there, you'll see a search bar. Type flows into the search bar. This is a shortcut to quickly find the part of the setup menu dedicated to flows, saving you the hassle of manually searching through countless options. Next, click on the flows option that appears in the search results. This will bring you to the flows page, where you can view and manage all the flows in your Salesforce instance. You'll notice various controls and lists here, which provide information about your existing flows. Now find the settings list view controls. This area lets you manage how flows are displayed and ordered, as well as providing additional actions, like the one we need to perform next. Within these controls, look for the delete option. This will be used to remove the flow you no longer need. Pause for a moment here to ensure this is indeed the flow you wish to delete. Verify its details to avoid deleting the wrong flow, as this action can't be undone. When you're sure this is the correct flow, go ahead and click delete. Salesforce will typically ask you to confirm this deletion, so ensure all details are correct before finalizing the action. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully deleted a Salesforce flow. Remember, maintaining clean and accurate workflows is essential for efficiency and productivity within your Salesforce environment, so always proceed with care when deleting flows to avoid disrupting important business processes. I hope you found this guide helpful. Deleting a Salesforce flow is straightforward once you know the steps, and it helps keep your system clutter-free. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your sales.